So, what is the absolute foundation of blockchain security? It's a mathematical concept called the cryptographic hash function. This is a mathematical equation that can take any amount of data, whether it's an entire movie file or just a small clip. The math will instantly break it down into a fixed size string of random characters called a hash. For these to be considered secure, they need to have five specific properties. First, they must be deterministic. All this means is that one specific input always maps to the same specific output. Second, they must be random, meaning it is not possible to guess the output based on the output of similar inputs. Third, they must be one way, meaning if someone gives you a new output, you cannot determine the original input without guessing. Fourth, they must be fast to compute, meaning that it must be quick calculation for a computer to handle. And finally, they must be collision resistant, meaning that the chance of two different inputs creating the same hash should be infinitesimally small. But understanding these is just the first step. Real magic happens when we take these individual hashes and we link them together to create an immutable history, something that we refer to as the blockchain. In future videos, we'll explore how these unique digital fingerprints can build things like Merkle trees and power consensus mechanisms like proof of work, effectively turning the raw math into the actual digital currencies that we use today.